Top 30 stocks are well known. Yes, but what about the idea of shifting the spotlight? Here's your chance to explore large cap companies that are established yet underrepresented within the large cap category. Presenting the Nippon India BSE Sensex Next 30 ETF, an opportunity that creates an all large cap based, well established middle order for your portfolio. These are companies with strength in their stride and ambition in their trajectory. The fund invests in the next 30 companies after BSE Sensex and offers exposure to underrepresented large cap stocks. It's diversified across sectors, comes at a low cost, and can be traded on exchanges just like any other stock. NFO period 21st May to 4th June 2025.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.